Hello everyone. Are you ready to take your language and communication skills to the next level? Whether you're preparing for a presentation, a language exam, or just want to feel more confident speaking, this video is for you. Let's dive into how you can prepare to showcase your progress and boost your confidence. Step 1. Reflect on your progress. Take a moment to look back at how far you've come. What words, phrases, or grammar rules did you struggle with before that now feel natural? Write them down. Seeing your growth on paper is a huge confidence booster. Step 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll feel. Try recording yourself or practicing with a friend. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Remember, mistakes are part of the learning process. Step 3. Work on body language. Communication isn't just about words, it's also about how you present yourself. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your points. Practice in front of a mirror to see how you come across. Step 4. Prepare key phrases. If you're nervous, having a few go-to phrases can be a lifesaver. Think of sentences you can use to start, transition, or end your conversation or presentation. Write them down and practice until they feel natural. Step 5. Simulate real-life scenarios. Practice in situations that mimic where you'll be speaking. If it's a presentation, rehearse in front of a small audience. If it's a conversation, chat with a friend or language partner. The more realistic the practice, the better. Finally, remember to celebrate your progress. Every step forward is an achievement. Trust in your preparation, and don't be afraid to show the world how much you've learned. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also on their language journey. See you next time, and keep speaking with confidence.